Alright guys, been kind of prepping the site here, prepping the work site. I installed a secondary filter for the hot tub. This is how they used to have inline canisters. There's a filter in there. The only pitfall to this is you have to shut the service valves there and there. So that's how I replumb this without draining it. Other filter is going to catch all the surface oils and stuff like that. This is going to catch dirt. It's going to suck it right off the bottom and then push it through here. What I'm trying to do, guys, is relocate this heater because I just temporarily set it up. I want to see if it would work well. So let's try to get some trim on the hot tub and some siding and make it look nice. I maybe need you to hold it. I don't know. Either. Come your way more.
Okay,
Is that good?
Sink it more?
Yep. Looks good. Alright guys, we got the front of the hot tub sided with our little cubby for the heater. Now we're going to side the east side of the hot tub, I guess. But we have to make this one removable. Fortunately enough, I can crawl underneath the deck on that side, on the west side, and service any parts I would ever need to, but I need to service this side too, just if I need to get to the motor or the filter. I'm gonna have to get to the filter for sure. So we gotta make this side removable. I'm gonna cut 2 posts to attach all our siding to, and then this whole panel is just gonna pop right off. first piece of siding can get a couple of screws in there. All right, there we go, guys. What do you think?
Fancy.
I couldn't really figure out what to do with my heater because I didn't want it like just out here in the abyss. So we just bumped this out an extra 1.5 feet, 2 foot, and put the heater right there. So just like any pool or hot tub, unless it's a new electric hot tub, they have a little pool station. Jenny worked hard, I worked hard, and we're ready to go eat some street tacos again because we love them.
All right, guys. It's hot tub time. We just finished dinner and Jay's gonna keep working for a little bit longer but doesn't need my help, so I figured I'd sit in the hot tub. Nice and refreshing. Nice to sit in the hot tub after a hard day's work. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed our hot tub video. Leave us a comment, subscribe if you're new, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks.